The Snowflake Startup Challenge stands out in so many ways. First, innovation comes from all over the world, and the Snowflake Startup Challenge is truly a global competition, and with a very international panel of judges as well. Last year, startups from 56 countries participated. There's also quite substantial prize for the winning team. The prize money last year was $250,000. This year, it's $1 million investment from Snowflake Ventures. But there are advantages that you really can't put a price tag, on. You will get tremendous exposure, for your company throughout this process. And as a startup, one of the hardest challenges you're facing is really driving that awareness for your business. In addition, you get access to the entire team here at Snowflake. And we have been through exactly what you are going through as a startup just a few years ago. Well, the first thing I look at is really how big is the problem you are solving? How big is the market opportunity for your product? And also, what is the mission and purpose of your business? But we're also looking for how passionate you are about your mission and your business. And passion really converts into energy. And as a startup, you need tons of energy when you build your company. We also want to hear how well do you understand the competitive forces around your business and your industry. There's always competition and alternative to using your product. We also want to hear you talk about the business model and the pricing model for your product. How scalable is that? And will you be profitable at some time as well? Well, the first thing you need to look at as a CMO is really the positioning of your business and the product. Positioning is really the foundation for everything you do in marketing. So really make sure you put that time and effort into that. In regards to positioning, it's also incredibly important to be consistent. In the early days of Snowflake, we also developed what we call our 5 marketing pillars for how we were going to differentiate Snowflake and our marketing. And there is a 30-minute long disaster video on YouTube where I go into details on those 5 pillars. But the first one is really around, customer centricity and that importance of always thinking outside in. It's so easy sometimes that we start thinking, inside out. But it's so important to look at everything from the customer's perspective with everything we do in marketing. As a CMO at a startup, you need to be able to wear many different hats and really be able to roll up your sleeves, every day and execute. Every day at a startup looks different from the day before. As a startup, a great advantage that you have is your ability to really move faster than anyone else. So make sure that every day you're focused on what are the right priorities and how are you going to have maximum impact that day. The alignment with your sales organization is also incredibly important. You really have to make sure that sales and marketing are truly working as one team together.